Are you all fine? Yes. Okay, so children, we have finished fractions. I have sent the notes. Those who have not completed, today itself complete. Okay. Today we are going to start a new topic. What's that? Decimals. Decimals. And children, decimals. So listen carefully. Decimals. We have seen decimal numbers in our daily life. For example, if you are taking daily test itself, if it is out of 5 marks, if you are getting 3.5 mark, that is a decimal. Yes, 3.5, 4.5. Okay, so that is a decimal number. And you can see price tag of your bag, shoes, or grocery bills. You can see 50 rupees 25 paise, 50 rupees 70 paise. Do you have some yes, do you have any price tag with you now? It's any bill, grocery bill, or your dress, or anything like that? You want to show me? Price tag of, because it shows decimal decimal numbers, a whole number and a point, then another number. Do you have anyone? Price tag or any bill? Yes, Namini, do you have now with you? If you have, you can show me. Yes, Aditi, show me that. I will spotlight you. You can show me that. Children, please see that. Yes. Yes, it is 48.00. Children, you can see that. That is a book price. You can see that MRP, rupees 48.00. Okay, children, very good. Okay, Aditi. So, you can see like this book, and sometimes Risa is showing me something. Yes, Risa, I will spotlight. Yes, Risa? 8.5 quantity, and it is 9.85, 6 point. Okay. So, you can see that bill also we can see decimal numbers. Okay. Now, children, when you go to shops, please observe carefully that price. Yes, Risa. Okay. Juvan also is showing something. Okay, very good. Haira, let me see. Haira is showing. Yes, Haira? Rupees 4.00. Rupees 4.00. Okay, very good. So, children, this we are going to learn today. Decimal numbers. Decimal numbers. Okay, decimal numbers. So, children, listen carefully. We have seen in our daily life, in the marks, in when you go for shopping, grocery bill, your dress, shoes, bags, everywhere, whenever you see, observe the price, we can see sometimes it's 48.50 rupees. Yes, so we are going to learn more about decimal numbers today. All of you please close the books and listen. Yes, Juvan. Yes, I can see that bill. Okay, very good. Now all of you close the books and listen carefully. We are going to learn this for the first time. So you have to be very attentive in the class. Okay. Deci means, children, decimals we are learning. Deci means 10. Okay. Deci means 10. What is deci? Deci means it is 10. So decimal numbers we have, I will show you, children, with decimal numbers. We have one number, then one point, then another part, another digits. So decimals we are learning today. Decimals. So the word deci means 10. The word deci, we can say one decade and all, we will say decade, 10 years. So here deci means 10. Now children, we have seen place value chart. Place value chart of numbers. In chapter numbers, we have learned place value chart. In this here, but we have decimal place value. This chart is decimal place value chart. Okay. So look here, there is a point here. Then as we have learned before, it is ones. We know this place value chart from the beginning. Yes, from our smaller classes. Ones, tens, hundreds. after hundreds, thousands, and this year children we learned one more, that is 10,000. Yes, thousands. So look at the place value chart here. This to the left side of the decimal point, we know already what is the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And children, we have here one decimal. This point, it is known as decimal point. This point is known as decimal point. Okay, I hope all are paying attention. Listen carefully, don't do any other work now. No need to write anything. Now here children, this part, that is the numbers to the left side of the decimal, that is called whole number part. What is that? Whole number part. Children, this whole number is also known as integral. Look at the spelling clearly. Integral part. Integral. So this integral part is the whole number. It is the whole number. Then we have a point. That point is known as the decimal point. After the decimal point, we have the fractional part. Fractional part is also known as decimal part. Decimal part. So we have whole number side, that is known as integral. Then we have the fractional part, that is known as our decimal part. Okay, and the point in between, it is called the decimal point. Okay, decimal point. So children, listen carefully. In the place value chart, we know already the place value chart: ones, tens, 100,000, and this year we learned 10,000 also. So after that, to the right side, there is a point. What is that point called? Decimal point. Decimal point. After the decimal point, we have a decimal part. That is a fractional part. We learned already fractions. Yes, fraction. One full, the one, if it is divided into 10 parts, we will say 1/10, 2/10. Yes, we learned 10th, 100th. 1 by 100 means there are small 100 parts, and from these 100 parts we are taking 1. So that is called 1 by 100. Yes, so we learned fractions. So this fraction part is the decimal point. So children, decimal part will be always less than 1. Always less than 1. Why? Because we are fraction, one whole, we are dividing into small. So that means we are taking a small part. So that part is, decimal part is always less than 1. Okay. And the integral part, we can say it is minimum 0, 0.1 point. So the minimum value is 0. It can be greater than the whole number. The decimal part will be always less than 1. 0.3, 0.5. It is not 1. It is less than that. Okay. Now, decimal place value chart. Children, please listen here. We know ones, tens, 100,000. After that, we have the decimal point. Here we have 10. Here also we have, after 10th, we have to add THS. 10th. This TH is very important. 10th, 100. We know 100. You have to add the word THS. 100th. Okay. 1000 we know. 1000th. THS. So after the decimal point, to the right side, which is the first place value? 10th. Okay, listen carefully. After this, I will ask you questions. We are learning this for the first time. 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay. Now, how to write this? 10th. 10th means it is 1 by 10. 10th. If it is, we are dividing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it is out of 10 parts, I'm taking only one part. So what is this? 1 by 10. Yes, this 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 10th. And what about 100th? It will be 1 by 100. And what about 1000th? It will be 1 by 1000. Okay, 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. So children, we know this, this point is the decimal point. So after the decimal point, which is the first place, 10th, then after that we have to the right side again 100th, and to the right side again 1000th. And this part we know already, ones, tens, 100, what is that called? Whole number, or we can say it is integral part. Integral part, decimal point, then we have the decimal numbers. Okay. So children, we are learning today decimals. So what is the word deci means? Deci means 10. What is that? 10. Deci means 10. And we have seen the decimal place value chart. The place value we know that is to the left side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. We learned. And after the decimal point, 10th, 10th, 100th, that THS, it's very important because it is 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So we'll say 10th, 100th, 1000th. Is that clear, children? We have two parts, integral part, that is the also known as whole number, and the fractional part is also known as decimal part, and the point is called decimal point. So children, we know how to write this. 1 by 10, that is 10th, 1 by 100, that is 100th, and once, what is we will write? Tens, 10. After that we know that is 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. Now children, how to read the decimal numbers? Manav, please listen here. All of you please listen carefully. How to read the decimal numbers. So children, this is the decimal point. Left side, that is the integral part. So here it is the integral or the whole number, that is 0.47. We will not say 47. We will say 47. We will split and say. We will not say together. After the decimal point, how we will read this number? Children, we are learning how to read the decimal numbers. So how we can read? 0.47, 0.47. Now which is the integral part here? 3. And which is the decimal part? 59. Decimal part we will split and say 3.59. So children, we can read together. Yes, Arpita, can you read that first one? This one? Look at the board. Can you see the board clearly? And
0.47.
0 point. Okay, so children, we will not say a decimal point. We can just simply say 0.47. Okay, then we next one. 0.47. Next one.
3.59.
Very good. 3 point. We will not say 3.59. 3.59. Okay, Mayuk. Next one.
Ma'am,
Next one. Third one.
38.24.
Okay. 38.24. We will not say 24. We will split and say 24. Okay, Celine, next one. The last one.
4.073.
4.073. So here, children, we have two decimal places here. Here also, look here, the last one, we have how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. Okay. Now, children, to the left side of the decimal point, we have integral part or whole number. And to the right side of the decimal point, we have the decimal place or fractional part. Okay. Siddhi, can you say which is the integral part of this number 0.47? Which is the integral or whole number?
0.
Which is the whole number? 0. Very good. Okay. 0 is the whole number. Okay, Janvi, can you tell me which is the decimal part?
47.
We will say 47. When we read together, we will say 0.47. Okay. Now, Avantika, can you tell me which is the whole number or integral number from this question number 2? Whole number, integral number.
3.
3. Very good. 3 is the integral part. And Manav, can you tell me which is the integral part from question number 3? Integral.
Ma'am, 38.2.
38. 38 only. Yeah, yes, this is the question 38.24. 38 is the integral part. And which is the decimal number? Decimal part?
24.
24. Okay, so children, we understood how to read the numbers. Yes? It's very easy. We have to just split the numbers and read. For example, 3.84, 3.79. Okay, so integral part is the number to the left side, and after the decimal point to the right side, it is. We learned today decimals. Decimals means the word deci means 10, and we learn the place value chart. After the decimal point, which is the first place, 10th. After that, 100th, that THS, that is very important. And the integral part and decimal part we have, and the decimal part will be always less than 1. That integral part, that is a part to the left side of the decimal point. Okay, so I will ask you questions. Those children only has to say the answer. Others, please mute. Okay, so what is the word deci means? Who can tell me? Deci. Yes, Felix. Deci. 10. Okay. Now, what are the two parts, my dear? We have two parts. One, whole number part. What is that called? Whole number part is also known as integral. Very good. Integral part. And Aditi, can you tell me decimal part or fractional part is always less than
1.
1. Less than 1. Okay. Now, after the decimal point to the right side, after the decimal point to the in the decimal part, which is the first place? Yes, Kirtana. After the decimal point. 10th. Okay, 10th. Okay, after 10th, which is the next one, Risa? After 10th. After 10th. Yes, Rudra. After 10th, we have 100th, then 1000th, that THS, that is very important. Okay, now children, all of you please take out your workbook, page number, book. Those who don't have the book, please write in the rough book, later on complete in the workbook. Page number 39, all of you, page number, quickly, fast. Okay, we can see that is very easy. Some price tags. Okay, children, I will ask one by one, only those person. Only thing you have to observe the price of different objects. Okay, question number 1, Manas. Question number 1. Read question number 1. Yes, page number 39.
The price of
The price of
5.30.
okay, there is an object and the price, in the price tag the number is given. So what is the option?
C.
Option C, 5 rupees 5.30. That is the price of the given object. Okay, now Juwan, question number 2. Juwan.
Ma'am, option B.
Read the question. The price of what is the object given there?
Ma'am, the price of a table.
Table. Okay. So children, I will write here the answers. Question number, this is page number 39. So question number 1, what is the price? That is 5.30. So option C. Question number 2, Juvan told that answer, that is option B. What is the price of the table? The table is 50.50. 50.50. Okay, question number 3, Ryan. Ryan, look at the question and what is the price of the chair? Yes.
Price of the chair 25
25.50.
25.50 A.
25.50. That is option A. Very good. Very easy. Yes, children. Look at the price and just observe which is that option. Which option is correct? 25.50. Mayuk, question number 4.
Ma'am, the system of writing numbers using a decimal point is called the
System of writing numbers using a decimal point. What is that system called?
decimal system.
Decimal system. Yes, very good. Option
A.
A. Option A. Now, question number 5, Sri Hari. Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 5.
Deci means 10.
10. Very good. Deci means 10. Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Siddhi, question number 6. Siddhi. Question number 6. So, deci means 10. That is option B. Okay. Question number 6. Page number 40.
The decimal number 24.3 is read as
Is read as which is option 24.3.
C.
C, option C, 24.3. How to read this number? It is 24.3. 24.3. Okay. Question number 7. Yes, Aditi. Question number 7.
The whole part in the decimal number is also known as the fractional part.
Whole number. Whole number. Whole number part. What's that, children? Integral. Yes, integral part. Whole number part is also known as integral. Okay, integral part. And the fractional part is also known as decimal part. Okay, fractional part is the decimal part and the whole number part, that is known as integral. Now, next one is question number 8. Dia, question number 8.
Yes, ma'am. The decimal part in the decimal number is always dash 1 less than.
Less than. Yes, decimal part is always less than 1. Decimal part is always less than 1. Okay, next one is question number, all the children please turn on your camera. Question number 9. Felix, question number 9.
Yes, ma'am. The point placed between the digits in the decimal number is called a decimal point.
Yes, the point placed between the digits in a decimal. The point placed between the digits in a decimal number, it is called decimal point. Decimal point. Okay, I will write it now. That is question number 9. Here we have that question number 8, children, that is question number 8 is less than, that Dia already said that answer, less than 1. The decimal part is always less than 1. Question number 9, it is decimal point. The point is called decimal point. Decimal point. Okay, children, we will do only till question number 9 today. All of you please take out your rough book. I will give you some numbers. You have to write the number name. That means how to we can read 0.34 like that. Okay. All of you, after writing till question number 9 in workbook, please take out your rough book. Then write decimal. Decimals. We have to write the number name. Question number 1. Write the number name. Question number.
Should we write the question?
Only what you have to write? 8.76. Then write the number name. Number name means how to we can read. How we can read these numbers. 1, 2, 3. Only write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 8.76, 3.91. Okay, don't say the answers. I will ask one by one. Okay, Nainika, can you say that first one, Nainika?
Yes, ma'am.
How we can read the first number?
8.
Mm.
Point.
8. 8. Point.
Point. 7.
7. 7.
7. 6.
6. Yes, very good. So children, how we can read this number? 8.76. 8.76. We will not say 76 together. Okay. Next one, Hridvi. Second one.
Yes, ma'am.
How we can read?
3.91.
3.91. Okay, 3.91. Mayuk, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
156.
Hmm.
Point 234.
Very good. 1. We can say 156 or 150. 156. 156 point 234. So after the decimal point, we will how to read the number. We will just split the numbers like 2, 3, 4. We will not say 234 together. We will write 156.234. 156.234. Okay, children. So that much today. We will revise one more time what we learned today. Children, we learned decimals. So what is the meaning of deci? Deci means 10, and we have two parts. What we learned that two parts, integral part and decimal part. So here, look here again, the whole number part, it is also known as integral part. Whole number part, it is also known as whole number. It is also known as integral part. After the integral part, the point we have, what is that point called? Decimal point. After the decimal point, that fractional part, that is the decimal part. And we know decimal part is always less than 1. It is always less than 1. This whole number part we can say if it is greater than 0. Usually we will say 0 point or 1 point, 3 point. So it is greater than 0, but the integral part, here the decimal part is always less than 1. And this integral part, what are the places? We know that ones how we will write 1. Tens what we will write 10. Hundreds what we will write here 100. 1000. Okay. After the decimal point, what is the first place? Tenth. Look at the spelling. Tenth. The THS. This is very important. Tenth. Hundredth. Thousandth. This tenth how we will write 1 by 10. That means we have out of 10 parts, we are taking only 1 part. If we are dividing it into 10 parts, we are taking only 1. So, 100th how we can write 1 by 100. So, which is the next slide? 1 by 10. 10th we can say or write 1 by 10. 100th means 1 by 100. 1000th means 1 by 1000. Then we learned how to read the numbers. How to read the numbers? We can say 0.47. 0 point. That point is the decimal point. So the number to the left side, that is the whole number. Here 0, here 3, 38, 4. All these are the integral numbers. Integral or the whole number. And to the right side of the decimal point, we have the decimal numbers. Only we will learn this much today. Okay, children. So, try to revise the topics daily, and that portions I have sent yesterday. If those who have not written the notebook, please try to complete, and the workbook also. And today we learned decimals. That also, children, we have done till question number 9. Please revise the topics daily. Okay, children. Bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.